The six-sided CNC wood drilling machine is an industrial wood processing equipment that is currently of interest and preference to most furniture panel manufacturers. This machine allows drilling and grooving for furniture control panels and can handle the installation holes of 2-in-1 and 3-in-1 furniture panels. The six-sided CNC wood drilling machine is capable of drilling all 6 sides of a wood panel at high speed, performing multiple functions such as drilling holes, milling grooves, drilling lock holes, door hinges, and is equipped with an automatic material feeding conveyor to reduce labor costs. Among the six-sided CNC wood drilling machine products on the market today, the SM612M product of the CABINET brand is introduced with high accuracy after processing. Operating the six-sided CNC wood drilling machine helps save labor and labor costs, does not require technical skills, and is continuously upgraded to increase efficiency of use.